probably going to yawn watching this, and here's the crazy part. Scientists still don't fully know why, but what we do know is fascinating. Babies actually start yawning in the womb at just 11 weeks, and it's so contagious that even reading about yawning can trigger it. Also, dogs and primates yawn when they see others yawn. The wildest part, scientists think yawning might actually cool your brain, bringing in a rush of cool air that regulates brain temperature. That's why even Olympic athletes yawn before competing. It might help them focus. Pretty mind blowing that something we do every day is still such a mystery, right?